Sitara, weekends appudu, you hang out with your family mostly and all that, but left to yourself, what are your favorite pastimes? Do you like to read? Like to
I love reading. Yeah, I love reading. I paint as well. I paint.
painting?
Yeah.
Evariki teliyadu vishayam.
No, a lot of people knew about it in 2020, like in COVID time is when I used to paint a lot. Now I don't paint as much anymore, but when I get the time, I do.
So what kind of art did you do?
I used to do a lot of landscapes.
Are you learning anything now? Ante either painting or music or dance continuing?
Yeah, I play the guitar. I don't play it as much, but I do.
I wish you had your guitar here.
I know.
But ante పాటలు వాయిస్తావా chords laga?
Chords.
Chords.
Very basic.
Yeah. Are you like getting one of those gradation certification from any of the, because ఇప్పుడు అందరూ everybody does that with piano and guitar, right?
Yeah.
So tell me your relationship with Annaya.
He is my brother. He's very annoying, but he's my brother and he's also great.
Why is he annoying?
He's my sibling. See, if you ask me to say good things about my sibling, I don't.
No, you don't have to say good things. You can just say, actually, you can be as honest. So, I mean, of course, there will be good things also. Like you just told me, Indaka.
Yeah, he's there for me when I need him to be.
But ela edipistuntadu lekapothe he pulls your leg a lot.
I think it's the other way around. But we both, there's like equal sides of.
Yeah. So, do you think Annaya should grow up to be an actor? Have you asked him eppudaina?
Yeah, I mean, he's going to NYU. He's doing the drama course for 4 years. So he's definitely going to be an actor, I think.
Everybody is like waiting, to see Annaya and also you on screen.
Yeah.
Because you also taken off so naturally. It doesn't feel like, you're putting in much effort to be in front of the camera. You're so like
Thank you.
at
Thank
ease.
you so much.
At ease with all that. So what's your next like public assignment coming up? Do you have anything coming up now?
Not as of right now, no. But definitely soon.
So apart from giving away a major part to charity, did you keep any part for yourself, and did you buy mom and dad any gifts ever? Do you buy gifts for them?
See, I do. Sometimes yes, like for Mother's Day or Father's Day or their birthdays. But it's kind of impossible to not tell them because they know.
They end up knowing because you're only 12 kada. So
kind of impossible.
బయటికి వెళ్తే తెలిసిపోతుంది కదా.
Definitely.
ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది సితారా అని వెతుకుంటారు. గెస్ చేసేస్తారు కూడా. అంతే కదా. But the gift can be a surprise.
The gift?
Yeah.
I've tried.
You've tried surprising them. నాన్నకి కొన్న సర్ప్రైజ్ గిఫ్ట్ ఏమైనా ఉందా ఎప్పుడైనా?
We bought him a birthday gift. We got him a bag, me and my mom. And usually I make cards for every single birthday there is because my brother, he has atrocious handwriting. Like you can't even read it. And even my dad, he has horrible handwriting. So me and my mom are the only good people with the decent handwriting.
Okay.
So usually I make the cards, me and my mom, we make them together.
So what do you write for others, when your family?
Usually, honestly, not usually. Every single time I write about how I'm really grateful to have them in my lives, and yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure they must cherish you as much also. Yeah. So సితార్ ఎప్పుడైనా అల్లరి చేసావా? రూల్స్ బ్రేక్ చేసి అమ్మ తిట్టి ఇలాంటి సందర్భాలు ఉంటుంటాయా? మళ్ళీ ఇలా చేయకూడదు, నో టైమ్ అవుట్ అలాంటివి అయ్యా ఎప్పుడైనా?
No.
ఎప్పుడు లేదు. పంచి బంగారు తల్లి కాబట్టి సితారా అంతేనా? బంగారు తల్లి మరి న్యాచురలీ. సో మరి అసలు ఎప్పుడు అమ్మని నాన్నని కష్టపెట్టనే లేదు చిన్న విషయంలో కూడా. ఒక్క అన్నయ్యతో దెబ్బలాట్లు మాత్రమే, అదే అన్నయ్య హ్యాండిల్ చేసుకుంటాడు అంతే కదా. సో సితారా, యువర్